Honda Activa 125 with BSIV engine. The new Activa 125 is India's first automatic scooter which is both AHO and BSIV compliant. Activa 125 now comes with the new LED position lights integrated into the front chrome chest and a larger 3D Honda emblem. The new Activa 125 also gets a mobile charging socket and a retractable hook at the front, making it more user-friendly and convenient. The 125cc engine produces 8.52 bhp at 6,500 rpm and 10.544 Nm at 5,000 rpm, mated to a CVT unit. It is the only 125cc automatic scooter in India equipped with Combi Brake System (CBS) with Equalizer technology. The new Activa 125 will be available in 5 colors, with a new Mat Crust Metallic color being introduced.